Good morning, guys. It's David Wynn, August University here. Today I'm going to go over what's new with cryptocurrency, what's going on in the markets. So let's get to it. All right, guys, it's super early morning. Couldn't go back to sleep. So thought I'd go through some cryptocurrency updates in the what's been going on in the last couple of days. Obviously, a little bit of madness, right? A Bitcoin hits essentially, $62,886. So there's a lot of hype over the last 7 days or so, and further, for example, Coinbase IPO had a lot of hype, right? So first cryptocurrency exchange basically going on the stock markets, right? So this was huge. Now, apparently, it wasn't as successful as they thought it may be, but the evaluation in Coinbase is ridiculous in the billions and billions and billions of dollars. So this is a big deal for cryptocurrency. That means that cryptocurrency is becoming a mainstream thing, uh, global adoption. So this is huge for us hodlers, us believing in all these projects, and it's definitely a step in the right direction. So if you look at Bitcoin over the last 7 days, up 12%. Ethereum up 23.4%, guys. This isn't complete insanity. Binance has been creeping up quickly at 44.7%. Look at XRP. Who would have known, right? XRP 88%. Now they were talking about XRP growing, etc. But I didn't really expect it. So I picked up a little bit of XRP just in case it keeps moving. But anyone that was super bullish on XRP, there you go, guys. We finally made it to the dollar, and then almost $2 now, which is complete insanity. So I'm excited. Overall, pretty much green charts. Look at Dogecoin, man. If you have some Dogecoins, congratulations. Look at that. Look at that movement. Just ridiculous, guys. So I'm just super excited about the whole market. I would like to see Celsius Network kind of take a step forward right now. We've been kind of on ice and lowering, actually, believe it or not. This company is worth billions and billions and billions of dollars and manages billions and billions and billions of dollars in in loans, revenues, etc. And we were up top 40, top 30, then moved on to top 40, and now we're at 58 because there's so many other altcoins right now that you can choose from. But if you guys want a project that's kind of a silent killer, I think Celsius Network would be my personal choice. Now everything else is rattling so much, so a lot of people aren't investing in Cell Token because these other projects are making significant gains, right? 36%. Like, look at these 24%, 25. So yeah, so Cell's not as attractive right now, but long-term hold for me because I think any minute now it can explode because the fundamentals are extremely strong. Okay, so let's go over and see what's going on with some of these articles here. Now, Ethereum, a big thing that's happening with Ethereum, flirts with 2,400. What this article says, where are we at now? Yeah, we're just over 2,400. All right. As irreversible hard fork looms, new all-time highs are being witnessed all over cryptocurrency market, and Ether is no exception. Led by Bitcoin's BTC ascent to new all-time high, along with much of the wilder cryptocurrency market, ETH continues to push all new all-time highs on Wednesday as the coin's price flirted with 2,400 range for the first time. The Ethereum network is scheduled to undergo an update in the next day or so when the blockchain reaches block number 12,244,000. The blockchain was at block number 12,237,070 at the time of publication. Based on current average block times of 14 seconds, update is supposed to land on Thursday around 12 p.m. The update, dubbed Berlin, will introduce several technical changes, all aimed at making the network more cost efficient, which is great because purchasing NFTs and getting into different alts and things like that, it's been very costly on the gases, honestly. The gas fees has been insane. I've been trying out this new thing called Pokemon with a POLK. And man, just to mint an NFT there has been costing ridiculous amounts of money. So I hope the fees do lower. That being said, I am super bullish on ETH, long ETH, and it's my honestly my biggest bag out of all the cryptocurrency assets. So Ethereum is number one. Bitcoin is number two. I should have got more Bitcoin. It's a little pricey right now, so I got a bunch of Ethereum, and then a BNB token as well, and then Celsius and other tokens. The Ether's price peaked at 23.97 on numerous exchanges on Wednesday, according to aggregated data from the CoinMarketCap, following a 10.8% growth surge over 24 hours. Ether's growth for the week stands at 22.4, while the coin's price is now up 110% for the quarter. That's nice. A figure that would be more notable under less explosive circumstances in the altcoin market of late. The Berlin update will be rolled out in the form of a hard fork, an irreversible, sorry, not irresistible. Sorry, guys, early morning, I need coffee. To the protocol of a blockchain. The hard fork is a contentious, meaning no ideological differences in the community will lead the formation of a new coin, as was the case with Ether and Ethereum Classic ETC in 2016. Okay. Anyone holding Ether in wallets or on exchange will be unaffected by the higher. So if you're holding Ethereum, it doesn't matter for you guys; it just automatically happens. However, miners and Ethereum node operators will have the update to update their software to synchronize with the latest of the chain. Data from the ethernodes.org shows that 72% of Ether software clients have achieved Berlin ready status in anticipation of the hard fork. Speculation surrounding Ether's potential price movements in the short term has ranged from tremendously optimistic, definitely not crazy, to conservative and measured. So that really means anything for Ethereum. Um, I think Ethereum's going to the moon and will reach at least 5,000 by the end of the bull cycle, maybe 10,000. And I'm stoked about that. All right, what else is going on in the news, guys? Bitcoin. Learning more about what's going on with Bitcoin on the stock market and stuff like that. When you can put Bitcoin in your retirement savings account, retirement trading account, that's awesome. So you can already invest in hundreds of ETFs with exposure to Bitcoin. Despite the lack of a United States-based ETF, hundreds of funds have made significant investments into the blockchain and crypto industries. Anyways, you guys can go over this. Bitcoin power consumption 66 times higher than in 2005, Citigroup says. However, energy consumption is not matched the 170x price increase over the same period. The Bitcoin energy consumption debates heating up faster than the planet, with corporations facing pushback from the public and shareholders over Bitcoin investments. According to Citigroup's Inc. report, Bitcoin is consuming 66 times more electricity than it did in 2015. It added that carbon emissions associated with mining will likely face increased scrutiny, according to Bloomberg. Okay. As the value of Bitcoin rises, so should the energy consumption. So I think that a long-term play here is that we need to figure out more powerful, efficient power supply for the world, especially basically in general, but also when it comes to more and more Bitcoin mining, we need to find an efficient way to draw power. Let's just be honest, right? Maybe Elon Musk can work on that. I do like what Ethereum is doing with 2.0 update. It doesn't require power. It's just anyone that holds ETH, which is great. And you can stake ETH to create more ETH for yourself. Yeah, and that's also going to limit the supply of Ethereum as well. So that's going to add a lot of value to Ethereum. like I said, my whole goal is to stack as much Bitcoin as I can and Ethereum. Okay, so this is why I do what I do, and I appreciate you guys each and every day following me on my journey on my channel. And that's what's new with crypto today, guys. Yeah, what else I want to show you guys? Let's show you guys. I'm gonna go to Uniswap. I'm gonna show you guys an interesting project. Charts. So it's called NRGY. Currently at $415. So currently, very very exciting project. I did get on a call with my friends at Decentralized with Peter, and he's one of the leaders, kind of facilitating. He's not part of the ownership or anything of the company, but he's one of the biggest promoters of NRGY. And NRGY basically has a few different use cases. It has a limited fixed supply. Also, there's a token burn. Also, there's essentially you're adding value into staking. So as you stake, you get paid weekly um, profits. And yeah, you can only get it right now through Uniswap. So you need a MetaMask wallet or something similar, which you compare, and then you can link up with Uniswap and choose one of these pairs here, and look up NRGY. And as of right now, guys, you guys can actually, if you look at, I'm just gonna show you the pricing here. Energy, there we go. So it's at 415. So it's a good buy-in price right now. Um, as it dipped in the last week. If you look at all time, it's a fairly new project. It's a fairly new project. Uniswap taking a little while with the graph. We'll get there. We'll get there. Month chart is easier, I guess. So it did spike up to 1,000 at some point, but right now we're pretty low right now. So 415 might be a good opportunity to get in. Um, as all you gotta do is stake it, and then you're gonna get rewards every single week. And they're adding use cases for energy as well, which means they're adding more and more value as you stake more energy, and they're actually including DApps into the project as well. So you can actually they have like a a trading, essentially a trading bot through Ameritrade, so you can actually do stock trading for you built in. That's one of the DApps. If you stake at least, um, I'm not sure exactly what the percentage is, but you need to stake at least, I think, 5 energy or something like that, or more. It might be 15 energy. So look into that. But I think this is a huge buying opportunity if you guys are looking for new projects to invest in and stake. So I want to show you guys. There's a community builder. So it's called Community Builder. And once you buy some energy, guys, so buy some energy, put it in your wallet, and then you can attach it to your Community Builder website. So communitybuilder.on.fleet.co. I'll include it in the link down below. If you guys are interested, you go to Connect Wallet. All right. It's going to find my MetaMask. All right. There we go. So this is the Community Builder. Once you're in the Community Builder, guys, you'll have your own community builder link. So this is your like referral link, and anyone that stakes, you make a percentage of their stake as well, which is great. It kind of helps you, and just kind of helps you, and helps the community as well. So if you take a look here, you can earn uh, weekly payouts. So I'm making about $8.82 right now. I've earned about $16. I only got like a week ago, so I am earning some slowly by staking. I only staked one less than one. I staked less than one because of the gas prices. So I got less than one energy, but I'm staking. But it's gonna continue to grow, which is great, right? And then when energy moves up, I'm gonna be getting more recurring every single week, which is great. So if you guys are interested in this, essentially you're gonna attach your wallet, right? Use my link down below. Then you're gonna get your wallet, and then so whatever you stake, 25% will go to grow your community. So whenever you stake, it's going to grow to the community as well, raise the value, and help out everyone else that's staking as well. We also want to thank community builders for their efforts in educating and assisting new users, right? Um, so you can actually see how it works, minting. And there's a white paper here, which I'll go over briefly as well. So total market maker staking balance is 54,849. Look at the rewards, guys. That's huge. All right. So it's current week 8 of the 100. So you're going to get more benefits now before the 100 weeks, obviously. So you want to get in early. All right. So this is a huge opportunity if you guys are looking at something to make some passive income. I'm personally very interested in this. So I'm looking to accumulate more, probably at this lower price point as well. So all you got to do is attach your MetaMask wallet, and then you can also, once you buy it, you can add them to your MetaMask wallet there, and you'll see my code that I invited you. If you guys are interested, it's completely up to you. Then you start making some reoccurring income. So maybe like $16 over the last, I think it was about a week. Which hey, it's just I'm just leaving it there to stake. So no problem at all for me. It's pretty easy. Look at how it works here. So this is the white paper, how NRGY works. We are thankful and fortunate to introduce NRGY DeFi financial system, and is going to change everything for those who choose to be part of it. NRGY is a fundamental advance in financial system, technology, and design. Today, we're announcing 4 innovations. The first is a digital asset where every holder from inception adds capital directly into a liquidity pool that's backed that backs its value. No influencer giveaways to developer cuts or hardware mining that gives one user a built-in price advantage over another. So this is completely decentralized, guys. They're not doing anything that's centralized at all. Completely DeFi, completely decentralized. This fair economics is the recipe for a deeply liquid and popular financial asset. The second is the limited elastic supply of energy. Minting is controlled by the amount of capital added to market maker staking contract. New supply only increases as more capital backs energy liquidity. More capital into the system means more supply. The third is the first DeFi app hosted on the Interplanetary File System (IPFS). This is truly a decentralized application that has no central servers to maintain or that can fail. This also makes Energy the first unstoppable DeFi app. So that's big, guys. Um, the fourth is a DeFi app store and ecosystem where users purchase breakthrough apps. So you can actually buy apps on it, and developers gain new users. Creators share part of the revenues not with a centralized entity, but instead with a decentralized community. So these different apps and dApps that are built on Energy will actually pay some of the revenues back to the holders, which is amazing, guys. Inside its market minting contract, just one blockbuster application in its store would be enough to propel the market's value of Energy. So this is not on exchanges or anything yet. When it does, guys, this could be enormous, okay? These are not 4 separate innovations, but one integrated and powerful financial system. Anyways, you guys can go through this whole thing, right? But it's amazing from what I've seen, and I'll also include an interview regarding this that my decentralized podcast that I'm on with David and Dan. We went through with Peter, and he explains a lot of what this project is doing, how NRGY financial system works. Let's zoom into this thing. Assuming weekly market maker deposit limit is reached each week, then a 4% growth in balance may occur, minting rewards from market maker. This is all technical, guys, but this is the breakdown of how everything works on the payout. All right, so if this has a very, very strong DAP, this could, and that pays out the holders, this could be ginormous. Anyways, you guys can go through the white paper. I'll include the podcast episode as well, so you guys can check it out. All right. Other than that, guys, I'm doing some trading right now. I'm currently trading BNB, which I got an entry point here. Not significant gains yet, but hey, I'm up. I'm profitable in the last few minutes that I woke up and decided to take on a trade. I've had some successful trades in the last few days as I learn. If you guys want to follow my journey on here with my leverage day trading, I'm just learning. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give you financial advice by any means. But as I learn my journey, if you guys want to follow me here, please hit the subscribe button on my channel. Hit the like button. Once I get to 2K subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, at least $100 in crypto of your choice. Okay, it's gonna be a random draw with requirements. So you gotta fulfill the requirements, which is gonna be like the video, just be a subscriber, and follow me on certain social media channels. All right. So until next time, guys, this is David Wynn, August University, and if you guys want to invest into energy, you guys can check out the podcast episode, which I'll include below, but I'll also feature some of it here in this video. And if you want to actually, once you actually buy energy, if you want to stake it, you'll see some instructions and links down below on the community builder site. All right. So this is David Wynn, August University. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.